How often should I do a salt water rinse for healing gum infection?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing a simple yet effective method of addressing gum infections, the salt water rinse. This traditional home remedy has been widely used to aid in oral health issues. Today, we'll specifically focus on how often you should use this rinse when dealing with a gum infection. Remember, consistency and regularity are key to the process.
What is a salt water rinse?
A salt water rinse is a mixture of salt and warm water. The salt acts as a natural disinfectant, helping to cleanse your mouth and gums. This can ease symptoms like swelling and pain, while promoting healing. But, it's essential to keep in mind that a salt water rinse isn't a substitute for professional dental care. It should be used as a supplemental treatment.
How to make a salt water rinse?
Creating a salt water rinse is quite simple. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt into 1 cup of warm water. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Avoid using hot water as it can further irritate your gums.
How often should you do a salt water rinse?
If you're dealing with a gum infection, it's generally recommended to rinse your mouth with salt water 2 to 3 times per day. You should swish the solution around in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Don't swallow it. The frequency of this rinse can help to continuously reduce bacteria, alleviate discomfort, and promote healing throughout the day. However, this is a general guideline and your personal needs may vary. Therefore, always consult your dentist about your situation to get the most effective treatment plan.
When should you stop rinsing?
You should continue the salt water rinse routine until your symptoms improve. Once the infection is cleared up, you may choose to maintain a regular rinse schedule for preventative measures, perhaps once daily. But always remember to follow your dentist's advice on this matter. In summary, a salt water rinse is a helpful aid in healing gum infections. Done 2 to 3 times a day, it can help alleviate symptoms and promote recovery. However, never forget the importance of professional dental care, and always consult with your dentist to make sure you're getting the best possible treatment. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey towards better oral health.